Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fully uninstall an app on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open the Finder. So just click on the Finder option here, and then in the Finder, select Applications option here. So click on Applications. This is the folder where all your applications are installed. So you can see I have all these applications which are installed on my Mac operating system, and from here I can remove any application. Now the simple way of removing any app on your Mac operating system is you can just right click on an application. So for example, I want to remove this VLC media player. I can right click on this application and then I can just select move to bin. But this will only remove this application from your Mac operating system and not all the files related to it. So let me show you how you can permanently delete all the files related to an app on your Mac operating system, including the application that you want to uninstall. So for that, just go to your applications folder. So make sure you see applications here and then search for the app you want to remove. For example, I want to remove VLC. So I'm going to write VLC here and it's going to show me all the files related to VLC on my Mac operating system. It includes the app also, and you can see some directories and files are here. Now next what you need to do is in your search result on top you will see this plus button which is on the side of the save icon. So I'm going to click on this plus button here, which is going to show me all these options. First of all, click on this drag down menu and click on open here, and in this list search for system files, and then if this option is not checked, just check this option. So this system file option will be available. So I'm going to click on OK here, and now you will see the system file option is available here. And then in the second drop down menu, make sure you select are included option. So I'm going to click on are included, and you will see more files related to that application. So you can see all these files are related to VLC media player. So here you can also review all these files. So for example, some files are also related to some video which I have played on VLC media player, or some file name which contains the name VLC media player. So for example, this video file, I have created a video on how to install VLC media player. So this is, even though it contains the name VLC, I don't want to delete it, right? Same with this screenshot, for example. So make sure you select the files which you want to delete, and you can unselect all the other files which you don't want to delete, which you can recognize, right? So I'm going to just select all, and then I'm going to unselect these two files from here, and then right click on this window and then click on move to bin, and then I'm going to provide my MacBook's password which I use to log into my Mac operating system, and then click on OK, which is going to remove all the files to the bin directory. Once we move the files to the bin directory, that means that application is removed from my Mac operating system. So basically all these files will go here, and at some stage you might also want to empty your bin so that all these files are permanently removed, right? So now when I go to my applications folder and search for VLC here, I can only see the files which I didn't want it to remove, but all the other files are removed from my Mac operating system. So this is how you can remove any application from your Mac operating system. Now, if you don't want to do this extra manual work to remove your apps from your Mac operating system, there is a tool which is a free tool which you can use to uninstall apps on your Mac operating system. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to your favorite browser and search for App Cleaner. And the first link which will appear here will be this one which says freemacsoft.net /app cleaner. So I'm going to click on this link here, and then I'm going to move a little bit down, and here you can see the download. So I'm going to select the topmost option, which is this one, and here I'm going to just click on cancel, and then it's going to download this app cleaner hyphen 3.6.8.zip file. Once this zip file is downloaded, I'm going to go to the folder where it's downloaded. You can see this zip file. To extract this zip file, just double click on this zip file and it's going to extract the application. This application you can move to your applications folder also. So I can just drag this icon into my applications folder, and now I can go to the applications folder, and here you can find your app cleaner app. So I'm going to double click on this app cleaner app, and let me minimize other things. So now I want to remove some application, right? So there are two options to remove that application. For example, if I want to drag and drop an application, I can do that. So let me go to the Finder, and from here I can select any application which I want to remove. So let's say I want to remove the application which is called Blender, right? So I can select this application and drag it to this App Cleaner app, and it's going to find all the files related to this app, and then I can click on the remove button. Otherwise, there is one more option to remove that app, and that is you can click on this other icon here and search for your app, for example Blender here, and I'm going to select that app, and then you will see all the files related to it. So at this point I just need to click on the remove button. So this way you don't need to uh, do the manual work to remove an app on your Mac operating system. So this is how you can uninstall any app on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.